Have you ever pondered the intricate workings of the fast-moving consumer goods, or FMCG industry? Today, we delve into the fascinating world of FMCG, exploring its various aspects, from product families and subfamilies to the specifics of the freezing department. Our journey begins with an exploration of the product families and subfamilies that form the backbone of the FMCG industry. Take NADA, for instance. This brand serves as a classic example of how a product category and its subcategory function within this industry. However, we won't delve into a comprehensive product list. After all, an FMCG professional has that ingrained in their memory. Now, let's shift our focus to the freezing department, an integral part of any FMCG operation. This section operates under the O.P.S.S department, dealing specifically with frozen foods. Our discussion here centers around the various freezing methods employed, namely the fast method, also known as I.Q.F, and the slow method. Each method carries its own set of advantages and disadvantages, shaping the quality and shelf life of the products. Next, we delve into the trading conditions of a product before it's received. It's crucial in the FMCG industry to understand these conditions to ensure optimal product quality and safety. But what happens after the product is received? We'll guide you through the process of product storage post-receipt. Temperature plays a crucial role in the FMCG industry, particularly when dealing with frozen goods. We will discuss the impact of high temperatures on a product's shelf life, or as it's commonly known, its shelf life. Defrosting frozen products is a delicate process, one that comes with its own set of advantages and disadvantages. We're going to explore these in detail, providing you with a comprehensive understanding of this critical stage. To illustrate these points, we'll use NADA as an example, walking you through the stages of freezing an item. This hands-on approach will provide a practical, real-world perspective on the theory we've discussed. And with that, our exploration of the FMCG industry comes to an end. We've journeyed through the product families and subfamilies, delved into the freezing department, discussed trading conditions, storage, temperature effects, and defrosting. It's a complex, ever-evolving industry, and this is just the tip of the iceberg. But understanding these key points provides a solid foundation to build upon, allowing for a deeper understanding of the FMCG industry and its many nuances.